Hello everyone and welcome to my YouTube channel. So in this session I will explain you SQL practical interview question and answer for this the fresher to 2 years experience candidate. So basically this interview question asks you in the interview. So maybe interviewer asks you some practical question. So I hope this video is useful for you, and if you like this video please share with your friends and family member, and also don't forget to subscribe my channel. So let's start the session. So basically, I have created one document, and end of the video, I will share you this document with you. So you can also refer this document. So basically, this is the two table, employee table and employee detail table. And based on these two table, we need to solve the practical question. So this is the table structure. So you can download this PDF and you can also practice yourself. One is the SQL. Regarding the SQL, the order of execution. So I will explain you the order of execution with practically. So first of all, we will check the what is the order of execution. So maybe interviewer ask you this question about what is the order of execution of the below SQL query. So for that, basically the interviewer give you the one query and ask you, you can explain the order of execution, which statement will executed first, and after that which one. So for that, basically the SQL engine, when we run any query in a SQL engine, will perform this operation. So basically many the student will fail to answer this question because of the student will tell that the select statement will run first. So it is the wrong, friends. So basically it will start from the from keyword. So basically from block will executed first. So in this query, first of all select a distinct, and after that top clause, and there is a ed dot project, then max e dot salary as a project salary. After that the from employee, we put aliases as a e. Then this table join with using the inner join with the employee detail table as a ed dot employee id equal to ed dot employee id. So based on the employee id, this query join this two table, and after that there is a where clause. So after that, one condition is that is the ed dot date of joining greater than 2019, then 1st of January. So after that there is a group by clause. So basically it will be resulting the data, it will be grouping using the ed project. And after that there is a having keyword is used for the basically after the group by the data will be required only the max ed dot salary greater than or equal to 1,50,000. So basically it will be written only the maximum salary from this group by clause. Okay. And after that there is a order by clause, order by project salary descending. So whatever the result will come, it will be arranged in the descending order. So in this the statement, first of all the from block will executed. After that there is a join block, and after the third there is a where condition, and after that fourth there is a order by clause, and after the order by clause there is a having clause will executed, and after the having clause there is the select statement will executed. Okay. So after the select, the distinct keyword is used, so distinct block will executed, and after that order by, and end of the execution it will be for the top or limit. So basically this is the order of the execution for the this SQL query. So I hope you understood this order of execution, and now we will check the practically how the this will start our practical session. Order of execution of the SQL query. So for that I just copy this query, and I will open my SSMS. So here I will show you the order of execution for this query. So if I run this query, so now in this query I will get the project P3, and the project salary will be 2,50,000 is the maximum salary. So if we check the execution plan, so for this we can check the execution plan. So in this execution plan, the table scan from the employee table, and also the we join this table to the employee detail table. So it will be also scan the table 2, and after that the other element will be executed. Okay. So for this query, the first of all it will be go for the it will start from the from employee table. So it will start with employee. So select start from employee table. So the all the data from the employee table will be written in the first step. So it will be written the first all the data from the employee table. Okay, so I have already mentioned the step 1, step 2. So I will just copy and paste the data, and I will show the plan of the execution. So column 1, column 2. So now start from the employee table. So now the all the data will return from the employee table, but we have not specified any the column name, because of we are, the select statement will executed at the sixth position. So now all the data will be collected, and after that it will be the selecting the whatever the required data. So in a step number 2, it will be go for the join. So now this table in this query join with the another table which is having the employee detail table, and the employee detail table join using the inner join. So select star from employee table. After that, inner join employee detail table based on the ed. So ed is the alias for this employee detail table. E dot employee id equal to ed dot employee id. So now in this query, the second step will executed, and all the data from the matching data based on the employee id will return. So all the data will return one from the both side. So column name will be like that. And after the join condition, there is a where condition. So the third step, it will be go for the where condition. So the where condition, basically in this query, the where condition use where ed dot date of joining greater than 2019 of 1st January. So this condition will executed at the third step. In the third step, where condition, and based on the where condition, data will be filtered. So now I will copy this query, I will paste here, and I will use the where condition in a given the query. So the where condition filter the date of joining greater than 2019 of 1st January. So now the data will reduce. Now we can check only the 4 row will return. So I just copy this data and I will paste here. So you can check the data will eliminated. So previously it will be written the 6 row. Now it will be reduced the 2 row because of the data is a filter based on the date of joining. Okay. So this is the step number 3, and after the step number 3, the next step will be step number 4. The data will be grouped using the ed.project. So I will explain you this one. So step number 4. So in this step, the data will be grouping by the project. So in this step, group by using the ed.project. So I will just copy this data and paste here, and I will use the group by clause. So group by the ed.project. So ed.project. But you can check in a group by clause, we grouping the data based on the ed. So in a select, it will be go for the ed.project, and there is a max of e dot salary. So now this data will return. So I will copy this data and I will explain you this data. So basically, in this query, data will be grouped by using the project. Okay, so basically, the data in this query grouped by the ed.project. So basically, there is a P1. In a P1, there is a two salary. One is a 75,000. Second one is a 1,50,000. So out of that, whoever the max salary, so it will be returned. So 1,50,000 is the maximum salary. So it will be returned. In a P2, there is a only one value, 1,20,000, and P3 is a 2,50,000. So the data will be filtered based on that. Okay, so it will be grouping the data based on the project. So now next is the having clause. So after the group by, fifth step it will be having clause. So in a having clause, so I will return the query. In a having clause, it will be, so having the max your e dot salary greater than or equal to 1,50,000. So whatever the result come for the group by, it will be again filter the data which having the salary. So I will copy and I will explain you. So basically, the whatever the result come from the group by clause, so group by return this query. So out of that, the where having clause will be filter the data max of e dot salary greater than or equal to 1,50,000. So if you check here, the P1 is a the satisfy this condition, and also the P3 is a satisfy condition because of both maximum salary will be greater than or equal to 1,50,000. So but for the P2, the salary which is a less than, so the P2 will eliminated from this result set. So the now the sixth step, in the sixth step, the only the select statement will executed. So in a select statement, so basically this query I will return here, and here is the given the proper naming convention like project max salary. And now this statement will executed. So now the column has in the value, so it will be give the name of the column. So for the p1 for this first row, it will be project, and the second row will be for the project max salary. So now moving for the seventh step. So in the seventh step, it will be go for the so in the seventh step, it will be go for the distinct. So basically after the select, there is a distinct keyword. So for the select, after the seven, in the seventh step, distinct keyword will executed. So same query, but in this query there is a distinct ed dot project and max salary. So if I run this query, then it will be given the same result. So I will copy and I will paste here. So because of the distinct user distinct value, but there is already distinct value is there. So p1 p3 is a distinct, and also the maximum salary also distinct. So it will be given the same result order by. So in a if statement, order by clause will executed. So now the data will arrange in a order. So basically, the in this query, data will arrange based on the project salary. So I will copy this. So basically same query I will copy, and below there is the order by clause. So basically order by using the project max salary. So I will copy the name and I will execute this statement. So now the data will arrange in a descending order. So basically order by, it will be either the ascending order, or it will be we can use for the descending order. But in this requirement, in this query, the data should be the arrange in a descending order. So now you can check the P1, previously it will be come first row, and second row is the P3, but now the P3 is the first row because of it is having the maximum salary, and we arrange the data in a descending. So this is the step number 8, and top clause will execute it. So basically the top clause executed at the last the stage. So in this query, top clause is top first maximum salary. So I will execute this query. So if I execute this query, then I will get only one row. So with the result set, so now it will be take the P3, and which having the salary is the 2,50,000. So like this video, please share with your friends, and don't forget to subscribe my channel, and wish you happy learning.